Ito po ang DTF machine dito sa Robinson Novaliches. Araw-araw naman itong nagagamit. Na may 18 meters kaming nairan dito as of this week. Wala naman po kaming in-house order. Ito ang heads. Capping. Head clean. Bonus wiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Ang egg system namin ay tama lang. Racing tank, malinis every Friday. Ground wire. Ito ang used ink. Unused ink. Film 30 cm. Inventory. Sa weekly consumption is white. Nakagamit tayo ng white. Workload. Cleaning solution. Magenta. Black. 30 cm film. Powder. White ink. Sa yellow. Cyan. Ito naman po ang printer jelly checklist. Salamat.